Let's decorate my coffee bar for spring with a bee theme using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take one of their wall stickers to get the little bee off of it, and I'm going to add it to one of their little ceramic creamers. I had previously used fingernail polish remover to remove the writing that was already on there. I just add the little bee wall sticker to it, and now it's a perfect little vase for these cute little bees. I did not get these at Dollar Tree. I actually got these at Michael's, but they were so cute and they're on sale. I couldn't resist them. They're little string bees, and I'm going to make a little floral display using that as a vase, just kind of bending it so it'll fit in there just fine. Super easy, and it looks so cute on my bee themed coffee bar for spring. I have another bee DIY for that same coffee bar. I found this great Let It Be canvas from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you how I framed it using one of these Dollar Tree wood signs. They're almost the perfect size. These signs for the canvases, they're just a tiny bit small. So what I'm going to do is dismantle this by cutting the canvas off. That way I can use it as a background for this sign and have a framed out sign. It gets rid of the rest of the wood canvas that's in the way for this. And so I cut it down just by cutting it the sides, and then I found that it was really close to the same size, so I just trimmed one side at a time until it fit perfectly in here. And we're going to decorate it a little bit more too once we get it attached to the sign. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to simply use some Mod Podge. I love those little bottles from the Dollar Tree because they don't dry up on you and they are great for crafting. I lay my canvas right on there, just smoothing it out with a dry paper towel, making sure that everything is glued down really well. I do like these frames. They are a little bit unfinished though on the very front, as you can see. I don't know why they don't use the same wood all the way around, but they don't. I'm going to reinforce mine a little bit with some staples because I found that it was gapping a little bit. And then I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree wood bees. If you can't find any of these at your Dollar Tree, you can get them on Amazon. I have gotten some, they're a little bit smaller, but they're great for crafting for spring. I love bee DIYs. I'm going to peel and stick the sticker bees onto the honeycomb, and I can even have it decorate the frame a little bit and make it not so plain. I love this canvas. I think it's so cute. You can find a variety of bee signs like this, and I crafted several of them for this coffee bar. This is how it looks. I'm going to actually hang this on my wall. I'm not going to be using it with a string though. I don't really have enough room, so I just tied that down a little bit, and I'm going to add the sawtooth hanger that was on the canvas before to the back, so I can just hang it with a nail on my wall behind my coffee bar. Let me show you how the whole coffee bar turned out. I think it's so cute for spring or summer. The bee theme and coffee, two of my favorite things. For more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting!